So today we're going to plant all these babies. So how we go about planting those is we actually put them in a smaller seedling tray like that, and then we put a wet rag over the top of them so that the sun can't get to them and they stay nice and moist. So we first dig a hole in the mulch over here, and then we put some of the compost in the hole just to fill it up and that it has enough material there to grow into. And then we put a little seedling in there, a little bit more compost, and then we try and tuck it in as best as we can so we don't have too much exposed soil there. Okay, so here on the outside rows we've started to plant the lettuces. So they're about 10 centimetres apart in this row. Tom's put them a little bit closer together in that row. So we're just going to see how they go. But as you can see, there's quite a few seedlings in the rows. Okay, so all 4 beds in between the tree lines have now been planted, and we'll be watering them every night. So we've got the sprinklers there, as you can see, and we'll put them on for about an hour every night. We still get a fair bit of rain at the moment, so we don't need to water them that much, but we'll probably put them on for about an hour every night just to make sure that the seedlings don't get dried out. We have got a fair bit of sun during the day, and it's still a little bit warm, so they could dry out. So we try and keep them nice and moist. And in a few weeks' time, I'll give you another update and show you what it looks like.